Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Sony headphones to the Sony Headphones Connect app. First, download the Sony Headphones Connect app from your device's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play. Next, make sure your Sony headphones are fully charged and powered on. Finally, enable Bluetooth on your smartphone or tablet. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth connection process, ensuring everything is ready to go before we dive deeper into the app itself. Now that the app is installed and Bluetooth is on, open the Sony Headphones Connect app. You'll then need to put your Sony headphones into pairing mode. This usually involves pressing and holding a specific button for a few seconds until an indicator light flashes. Once in pairing mode, the app should detect your headphones. Simply select your specific model from the list of available devices displayed within the app to initiate the connection. After selecting your headphones, your smartphone will likely prompt you with a Bluetooth pairing request. Confirm this request to allow the connection. The Sony Headphones Connect app will then display a clear confirmation message, indicating that your headphones are successfully connected. At this point, you can begin exploring the app's various features, such as adjusting sound settings, customizing equalizer presets, and managing noise cancellation levels, all designed to enhance your listening experience. If you encounter any issues during the connection process, don't worry. A common first step is to simply restart both your Sony headphones and your mobile device. Sometimes, a quick reboot can resolve minor glitches. If problems persist, try clearing the Sony Headphones Connect app's cache or even reinstalling it. Also, ensure no other devices are actively connected to your headphones, as this can prevent a new connection. These simple troubleshooting steps often resolve most common issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.